In this video, we'll be exploring 7 must-have apps that can help you take control of your finances, save money, and achieve your financial goals. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1, Mint. Our first app on the list is Mint, and it's an absolute game changer for anyone looking to take control of their finances. The best part about Mint is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the entire money management process. Once you connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills to the app, Mint automatically categorizes your expenses, giving you a crystal clear view of where your money is going. Creating budgets with Mint is a breeze. You can set spending limits for various categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation, and the app will send you alerts when you're nearing your limits. This feature is incredibly helpful in curbing overspending and promoting responsible financial habits. Another standout feature of Mint is its ability to track your credit score. Keeping tabs on your credit health is vital for achieving financial success, and Mint's credit score monitoring ensures you're always aware of any changes or improvements in your score. One of the most significant advantages of Mint is its ability to provide personalized financial insights. The app analyzes your spending patterns and suggests areas where you can save money or invest more wisely. These insights are invaluable for making informed financial decisions and growing your wealth over time. In summary, Mint is a comprehensive money management app that brings all your financial data together in one place. It empowers you to create budgets, track expenses, monitor your credit score, and receive personalized insights, all with ease and convenience. Number 2, Acorns. Now, let's talk about Acorns, a fascinating app that revolutionizes the way we save and invest. Acorns operates on the principle of micro-investing, where every purchase you make becomes an opportunity to grow your wealth. By linking your credit or debit cards to the app, Acorns rounds up each transaction to the nearest dollar, and the spare change is then invested in a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance. What makes Acorns truly remarkable is its ability to turn everyday spending into a path towards financial freedom. Those small, seemingly insignificant amounts that you'd usually forget about can now work in your favor, gradually accumulating and generating potential returns over time. It's like a digital piggy bank that automatically invests on your behalf, making it effortless to build a nest egg without even lifting a finger. Additionally, Acorns offers several investment portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, ensuring you can align your investments with your financial goals. Plus, for those interested in boosting their savings even more, Acorns offers a found money feature, where select partners offer cashback rewards that are directly invested in your account when you shop with them. This app caters to both novices and seasoned investors alike, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of investing or boost their existing portfolio. Acorns helps bridge the gap between financial literacy and action, encouraging a savings mindset while fostering a sense of empowerment and financial growth. In conclusion, Acorns is a unique and innovative app that can transform your spare change into a powerful investment tool. It enables you to start investing with small amounts, accumulate wealth passively, and take away the complexities often associated with investing. By making saving and investing a seamless part of your everyday life, Acorns sets you on a path towards financial success with minimal effort. So, if you've been looking for an approachable and effective way to grow your wealth, Acorns is the perfect app to have in your financial toolkit. Number 3, Wally. Now, let's explore Wally, a widely acclaimed budgeting app that empowers you to take control of your finances with ease. Wally distinguishes itself by offering a manual expense tracking system, which gives you a hands-on approach to managing your money. The app allows you to input and categorize your expenses, ensuring every transaction is accounted for accurately. One of the standout features of Wally is its receipt scanning capability. Gone are the days of keeping a cluttered stack of paper receipts. With Wally, you can simply snap a photo of your receipts, and the app automatically extracts the relevant information, categorizing the expense for you. This not only saves time, but also ensures your records are organized and readily accessible whenever needed. Wally goes above and beyond by enabling you to set savings goals. Whether you're planning a vacation, saving for a new gadget, or building an emergency fund, the app helps you stay focused and motivated by tracking your progress towards achieving these goals. Furthermore, Wally's user-friendly interface showcases your spending habits through interactive graphs and charts. This visual representation provides valuable insights into where your money is going, allowing you to identify potential areas for improvement and make informed financial decisions. In addition to tracking expenses, Wally lets you set budget limits for various categories, alerting you when you approach or exceed your spending targets. This feature promotes financial discipline and helps you maintain a balanced budget. With Wally, you're in full control of your financial journey. It ensures you stay on top of your expenses, set realistic savings objectives, and gain a deeper understanding of your financial habits. By taking advantage of Wally's comprehensive tools and intuitive design, you can work towards a more secure and prosperous financial future. In summary, Wally is a versatile budgeting app that simplifies manual expense tracking, making it perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their finances. With its receipt scanning, goal setting, and budgeting features, Wally equips you with the knowledge and tools necessary to stay financially responsible and work towards achieving your aspirations. Number 4. Chime. Now, let's take a closer look at Chime, an online bank with a groundbreaking app that takes the concept of saving to a whole new level. Chime's automatic savings feature has garnered significant attention for its simplicity and effectiveness in helping users build up their savings effortlessly. Here's how it works. Every time you make a purchase using your Chime-linked debit card, the app automatically rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar. The difference between the rounded-up amount and the actual purchase price is then deposited into a designated savings account. This micro-saving approach might seem small on an individual basis, but over time, it accumulates into a substantial sum without you even noticing. Chime's automatic savings feature has revolutionized the way people save money. It turns your everyday spending into a seamless savings strategy, ensuring you're consistently building your nest egg without any conscious effort. This set-it-and-forget-it mentality is perfect for those who struggle to save regularly or find it challenging to stick to a savings plan. Moreover, Chime offers a high-yield savings account that enables your savings to grow even faster with competitive interest rates. This means that not only are you saving effortlessly, but your money is also working harder for you. Beyond its automatic savings feature, Chime offers other perks such as early direct deposit, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. This makes Chime a popular choice for those seeking a convenient and customer-friendly banking experience. Additionally, Chime's app provides valuable insights into your spending habits, allowing you to track your expenses and set specific financial goals. With this comprehensive financial snapshot, you can make informed decisions about your finances and stay on top of your financial game. Number 5. Pocket Guard. Let's now explore Pocket Guard, a top-notch app that simplifies the complexities of financial management and puts a personal finance assistant right in your pocket. Pocket Guard excels at providing users with a quick and straightforward overview of their finances, ensuring you always know where you stand financially. Upon linking your bank accounts and credit cards to Pocket Guard, the app automatically categorizes your income and expenses, giving you real-time updates on your financial situation. The beauty of Pocket Guard lies in its ability to display your available spending money after factoring in bills and savings. This feature eliminates any guesswork, and empowers you to make informed spending decisions, ensuring you never exceed your budget. Pocket Guard's intuitive interface also enables you to set specific financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debts. By visualizing your progress towards these goals, you're motivated to stay on track and make the necessary adjustments to achieve them faster. Another compelling aspect of Pocket Guard is its smart alerts. The app notifies you when upcoming bills are due or when you're overspending in a particular category, acting as a financial watchdog to prevent unnecessary fees or financial setbacks. Moreover, Pocket Guard employs bank-level security to protect your sensitive information, ensuring your data is safe and secure. By providing a comprehensive and real-time financial snapshot, Pocket Guard empowers you to take proactive charge of your finances. Whether you're looking to save more, reduce debt, or maintain a healthy spending balance, this app equips you with the necessary tools to achieve financial peace of mind. In conclusion, Pocket Guard is an exceptional app that stands as your personal finance assistant, guiding you towards smarter financial decisions. With its real-time financial insights, goal-setting features, and smart alerts, you can confidently navigate your financial journey with ease and precision. If you seek simplicity, clarity, and empowerment in managing your money, Pocket Guard is undoubtedly the go-to app that will revolutionize your financial life. Number 6. Splitwise. Let's now explore Splitwise, a fantastic app that takes the stress out of splitting expenses among friends or roommates. If you've ever been on a group trip, shared a meal, or split bills with others, you know how challenging it can be to keep track of who owes what. Splitwise swoops in as the ultimate solution, simplifying the process and promoting transparency and fairness. Using Splitwise is incredibly easy. When you incur an expense, whether it's for groceries, rent, or a night out, you can log it in the app with just a few taps. You can then specify who was involved in the expense, and Splitwise will automatically calculate each person's share based on their portion. What sets Splitwise apart is its flexibility in managing various types of group expenses. Whether you're splitting bills equally, unequally, or even proportionally based on individual incomes, Splitwise has you covered. This versatility makes it the go-to app for a wide range of social and living situations. But Splitwise's genius doesn't stop there. It also allows you to create groups. So if you're on a trip with friends or sharing expenses with roommates, you can manage multiple expenses within a single group. The app does all the math, ensuring that no one ends up feeling burdened or unfairly treated. Furthermore, Splitwise helps you keep track of outstanding balances, ensuring that everyone settles up at the right time. Whether you choose to pay each other back directly or use a payment app, Splitwise keeps everyone accountable and the transactions transparent. The convenience of Splitwise extends even further with the ability to set reminders for those who might need a gentle nudge to settle their debts. This gentle reminder feature helps maintain harmonious relationships, preventing awkward conversations about unpaid bills. Security and privacy are paramount with Splitwise. The app ensures that your financial information remains confidential and accessible only to those directly involved in the shared expenses. In conclusion, Splitwise is an essential app for anyone who frequently shares expenses with others. Its seamless expense tracking, automatic calculations, and flexible payment options make it a must-have tool for maintaining financial harmony in group settings. No longer will you have to stress about splitting the bill or tracking expenses manually. Splitwise simplifies the process and ensures that everyone pays their fair share without any hassle. With Splitwise in your pocket, you can focus on enjoying shared experiences with friends and roommates while leaving the financial management to this efficient and reliable app. Number 7. Robinhood. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss Robinhood, a trailblazing investment app that has transformed the landscape of stock trading and investing. Robinhood's innovative approach centers on democratizing finance by providing commission-free trading, making it a game changer for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. One of the standout features of Robinhood is its user-friendly interface, designed to simplify the investment process for beginners. The app offers a seamless onboarding experience, allowing you to create an account and start investing in just a few simple steps. This accessibility has opened doors for many individuals who were previously intimidated by the complexities of the stock market. Additionally, Robinhood offers fractional shares, enabling users to invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $1. This fractional investing approach makes it easier for investors to diversify their portfolios, even with limited funds. Robinhood's commitment to education sets it apart as well. The app provides an array of educational resources, including articles, videos, and tutorials, empowering users to make informed decisions and deepen their understanding of the financial markets. Another unique aspect of Robinhood is its inclusion of cryptocurrencies. Through the app, users can buy, sell, and track a selection of popular cryptocurrencies, further expanding their investment options and staying on top of emerging trends in the digital asset world. Moreover, Robinhood offers a feature called Robinhood Gold, a premium subscription that provides extended trading hours, larger instant deposits, and access to research reports from reputable financial institutions. While this feature comes at an additional cost, it caters to more experienced investors who may benefit from advanced trading tools and data. It is essential to mention that while Robinhood's commission-free model is appealing, it is crucial to conduct thorough research and practice responsible investing. Investing always carries risks, and individuals should consider their risk tolerance and long-term financial goals before making any investment decisions. And there you have it. 7 essential money management apps for financial success. Whether you're looking to save money, budget effectively, or start investing, these apps have got you covered. Remember, achieving financial success requires discipline, consistency, and the right tools to help you along the way. Make sure to do a thorough research and due diligence before using any of the above-mentioned apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.